breaking your back every single week bending down to pull heavy, soaking wet clothes out of a low-slung front-load washer, or watching your laundry room devolve into an unorganized mess of scattered detergent jugs and mismatched baskets is an absolute nightmare that completely drains your energy. Relying on separate, flimsy single risers traps you with shaky, unstable appliances during high-speed spin cycles and does nothing to solve your storage problems. The GDLF Universal Fit Washer and Dryer Pedestals with pull-out shelf completely rescues you from physical strain and chaotic laundry rooms, functioning as an all-in-one, heavy-duty chore optimization workstation engineered to streamline your washing workflow with absolute ergonomic luxury. Don't let its clean, minimalist white styling fool you. This unified double-wide platform is an absolute structural tank. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is its specialized 58.1 inches by 29.1 inches full-width seamless top surface backed by a heavy-duty reinforced steel frame that supports a massive 800 pounds of continuous capacity. This expansive, universal fit architecture comfortably accommodates two side-by-side front-load washers and dryers from major brands like LG, Samsung, or Whirlpool, locking them onto a rigid, rock-solid foundation that dampens vibrations and keeps your machines perfectly steady even during maximum spin cycles. Engineered to completely reinvent your chore efficiency, this 18.7-inch high riser features a revolutionary sliding center pull-out tray, a high-velocity workflow upgrade that traditional individual pedestals completely lack. You can slide the tray out smoothly to serve as an instant folding table or a heavy-duty staging platform to catch clothes as you transfer them directly from the washer to the dryer without ever touching the floor. Beneath this expandable shelf, a built-in center drawer neatly conceals detergents and dryer sheets, while two spacious open side compartments are perfectly engineered to hold standard laundry baskets. It is the ultimate, stress-free organizational upgrade for busy families, homeowners, and design enthusiasts who demand uncompromised back comfort and elite laundry efficiency. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this 58-inch white pedestal to save your lower back or to finally organize your baskets and detergent bottles. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart home organization tech, laundry room upgrades, and premium product breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.